your spacious living and dining area. You're getting two-sided parallel platform with an upper your spacious master bedroom. Here you can easily place a. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Anushri and today I'll be giving you sample flat tour of Mayfair's Virar Garden by Mayfair Housing. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual sales office. Let me show you the neighborhood. So this is your main entrance. Check out the neighborhood. So the road on the right hand side takes you to the station. But before moving further, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform where the home buyers are directly connected with the developers, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing, unlike current listing platform where if you do one single inquiry, your contact number is directly shared with the multiple brokers, which will lead to endless calling. But in Housey, you are directly connected to the developer. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with Housey. First one is project overview. So this project is being developed on 22 acres of land parcel featuring 7 towers, ground plus 22 floors, having 1 BHK and 2 BHK premium residencies. Now let's talk about amenities. So here you get 30 plus luxurious amenities such as clubhouse, jogging track, multi-purpose court, sitting area, indoor game, gymnasium, kids play area and many more. Now coming to the location part, so this project is located at Agashi Road, Virar West, Mumbai, with Virar railway station at just 1.4 kilometers, Old Baiwa College 1.9 kilometers and DMart at just 2.4 kilometers. Now let me show you your 2 BHK sample flat of Mayfair's Virar Garden with a square feet of 558. So this is your main entrance and you'll be getting a wooden door. Now let me show you your spacious living and dining area. You can see how spacious it is. So at this corner you can keep your huge sofa set, and at this side you will be getting a TV unit. Along with that you will be getting an attached window and a balcony from where you can see your sea facing views from higher floors, and also at your balcony you can create your own green space area. Now let me show you your dining area. So this is your dining area when 5 to 6 people easily accommodate over here and you can enjoy your meals with your family. Now let me show you your kitchen area. So this is your spacious kitchen area. You will be getting two-sided parallel platform with an upper cabinet and lower cabinet. After opening cabinets, there's still a lot of space, and along with this you'll be getting an attached balcony. So at this area you can store your refrigerator. Now let's check out your other space. So this is your layout, and here you'll be getting your common washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Now let's check out your bedroom number 1. So this is your bedroom number 1. Here you can easily place up your bed and a huge size wardrobe as well. Along with it, you'll be getting an attached window from where you can easily see your views. Now let's move on to your master bedroom. But before that, let me introduce you with the key features of Housey. So here's Housey with the actual location tour, sample flat video, actual flat video, pros and cons of the project, payment scheme and EMI schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are in Housey itself. So what are you waiting for? Register for free and book your free site visits. Now let's check out your master bedroom. So this is your spacious master bedroom. Here you can easily place up your king size bed, and at this corner you can keep your huge wardrobe as well. And a small dressing table can easily accommodate over here, and you will be getting an attached balcony for your ventilation purpose also, where you can easily see your views. In this master bedroom you will be getting an attached washroom as well with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. So in entire flat, you'll be getting a wetrified tiles, and in washrooms, you'll be getting anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. So everyone, this was a complete 2 BHK sample flat of Mayfair's Virar Garden by Mayfair Housing. If you're looking for more details of this project, click on the link below to download e-brochures and price sheets. And don't forget to follow, like, share, subscribe Housing.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.